Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve this when root 3 plus root 5 plus root 11 whole square, and we have to find the value. When we'll do the whole square of this. So to find the value, we have a general formula in terms of a plus b plus c whole square. So write the formula and apply it here. The formula is a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac or 2ca. So we'll take root 3 as a and root 5 as b and root 11 as c. So let's start and put the values. So a square, that means root 3 square plus b square root 5 square plus root 11 square plus twice of a, that is root 3, and twice of b, that is root 5, plus 2 times of b, root 5, multiply root 11 plus 2 times root 3 multiply root 11. Root 3 square is 3, root 5 square is 5, and root 11 square is 11. Now plus root 3 multiply root 5 is root 15, so here 2 root 15. Similarly, root 5 multiply root 11 is root 55, multiply 2 is 2 root 55 plus root 3 multiply root 11 is root 33, so 2 multiply root 33. Now we are going to add these terms. So 3 plus 5 plus 11 is 19. So 19 plus 2 root 15 plus 2 root 55 plus 2 root 33. That's how you can find the value if the three numbers are given with the square of them. So I hope you find it useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much.